Hi everyone, how are you doing? Today, I'm going to weld on a plate in two different ways, the right way and the wrong way. This lesson is especially helpful for beginners who want to improve their welding skills. Now, I'm going to hold the electrode just like a beginner would. At the start, my hand angle is okay and the weld looks fine up to the middle of the joint. But after the halfway point, my hand and body position are not right. Watch carefully. I tried to show it to you as clearly as possible. So far, the welding went well. But on the rest of the line, since my hand position isn't correct, I can't keep my focus on the electrode. You'll see the result at the end of the weld. Please support us by liking this video right now. Thank you. As I said, up to this point the welding is acceptable.
Now, let me show you.
From this point on, since I couldn't stay focused on the electrode, I'm sure the welding arc didn't come out right.
Let's take a look now.
Now, let's do the welding the correct way so you can see the final result. Please support us by liking this video right now. Thank you.